Sing that shit. Shit.
Good evening, guys. So here is today we are again. So our today's topic will be decided by Rishabh Ray. So Rishabh Ray, over to you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Premjit. So good
Rishabh,
evening, everyone.
yes,
Yeah, yeah. So good evening, everyone present over here. So today's
yes,
topic
please.
is that advancement of technology. Okay. So talking about technology right now, we all people know that day by day technology is getting advanced. More and more features are getting involved. More and more gadgets are coming. Initially, if I talk about when there was no phone, people used to communicate over telegrams. People used to communicate over letters. But now the technology, the most common technology that we all people are having right now is smartphone, where we can send messages in just a fraction of second. Whether you are living in any part of the world, it just takes a fraction of second. But earlier, this was not possible. So day by day, technology is evolving. More and more technology is coming up. More and more efficiency is coming. People are getting more and more used to it. But as it is rightfully said that every coin has two sides. Similarly, if I speak about technology also, there is a downfall for technology also, because if I take an example of smartphone, smartphone is something that we all people use it, but but the thing is that we all people also know about the side effects also, that we people are getting so much addicted to it that our eyes are getting strained. We people are facing serious problems also for this thing. But I feel that technology is something that we cannot negotiate on this, because it is getting day by day more and more improved. So this is what I feel about technology, and technology is something that will carry on and it will improve more and more day by day. So this is what I feel.
Yeah,
Yes,
you're totally
absolutely, Rishabh.
agree. I
Absolutely.
totally
You
agree
have
with you, Rishabh.
concluded. Yes, Deepto, please continue, please.
Yeah, I totally agree with you, Rishabh. But I just want to add something on your opinion. Like, yeah, you are true. In previous days, some years ago, we used to send letters, but now we just text messages by our phone. So advancement of the technology is very much needed, and it's very much important to us also. Like, if we want to go somewhere, so we have to take a car or a bike or a train. So it's all other things are the product of advancement of technology, right? So uh, uh,
I think Ripam, your microphone is on. Please switch off your microphone. The
yeah,
sound.
yeah, please.
Yeah, yeah. Carry on, Gupta.
Yeah. So the all the things are very much the product of the advancement, right? So if it's summertime and we are in a home, so we have to turn on the fan and we feel relaxed, right? If it's winter, we have to turn on the heater, and it's also a product of the advancement of the technology. So everything is connected with the technology. In the COVID time, our education was stuck, but we can continue our classes by our phone right now. We can attend our classes by our phone. It's also a product of the technology. So the technology somehow makes all the work for us very easy. And that's one of the side effect I can tell you guys. Like, the technology's advancement always like, now we are getting lazy by that. So it's a negative side, I can say. But advancement of the technology is very much needed. But somehow, like, if I want to say about any disadvantage, like, ozone layer was affected by gases uh, which are withdrawal by cars and factories. So ozone layer was affected by that only. So advancement of the technology is important, but we have to make a way to equalize that thing. So yeah, if you want
Absolutely,
to
absolutely, Deepto. Yes, yes, thank you, Deepto. You have concluded the points which are more relevant and which are more important, actually. And thank you, Rishabh, for selecting the topic, which is very interesting. So, hello, guys. Good evening, guys. My name is Premjit Sarkar. So, our today's topic is advancement of technology. Is it good or is it harmful for us? See, as we all know, we are facing the tough time. we all are facing this, and our education, offline education, has totally become stop. If this technological advancement was not there, then it become quite impossible for us also to do online classes also. Then what happened is that our education will stop at one place. So it can't, right? Education can't stop learning. There is one thing which is always need to be constant, is the learning. So through this online platform, through advancement of technology, we get to see that we are constant about one thing which is called learning, and we can learn from anywhere, right? As we have seen there, I can also tell you some platform also there. You can sit by sitting in your home, by comfort of your home, you can got some degree also, MBA degree over there. There are lots of companies, there are lots of startups which actually came forward, and there are lots of courses also. See, um, as days ago, we have, if you want to learn something, if you want to learn something, actually we have to go to that places and learn from there, by actually doing the offline classes. But as advancement of technology, we can do courses by sitting in a home and comfort of your home. We can also ask question, you can also ask questions to the teacher. So overall, we can see on the overall basis is that yes, we actually got benefited by advancement of technology. We can actually thank for all the scientists who have actually invented, who have actually advanced the technology, which actually helps for our future to grow. But as there are advantages, there are also disadvantages. As Deepta has also said some disadvantages. Yes, we are addicted to it. As we can see that if we go to any of the function, and before the advancement of technology, you can get to see that people used to sit with them and usually used to talk. But as advancement of technology, everyone had their mobile phone. Even 5 or 6 years of old have children are playing PUBG, and they are connected over internet. But the offline communication, the communication, the way of talking, the likings and everything have totally enter into this technology itself. So we are gradually, yes, we have to accept this, but at some point of time we also have to neglect this. We also have to keep side of this and do the things, and do talk with our guardians, talk to our friends. um, so it will be very much helpful for our ecosystem to grow. That's what I want to add. And I think Shalom also wanted to add something. Yes, Shalom, please.
Yeah, so Premjit, I totally confide and totally agree with your opinions about the technological advancements, and along with that, the advantages and disadvantages that you just introduced us to. And the other thing that I would like to add is that yes, technology, the invention of technology and the modification of technology for mankind is a big leap, because without the acquaintance of technology, it would be very difficult for humans to evolve and lead towards a sustainable, enjoyable life. So the production, development, and introduction of technology has become a very essential component of our day-to-day life. Like if the human wants to experience a comfortable, worthy life, which he works hard for every day, then technological benefits have a huge role to play in that. But as every coin has both sides, the head and the tail, so is the theory of technology. All right. So technology itself, it has pros and cons to itself, and it depends totally upon the pioneering potential of the person, in which direction he wants to, direct this technology to gain something out of it, or maybe he can use it to waste his time as well. So as we all are aware that after the introduction of video platforms like YouTube, a lot of creative people whose discovery wouldn't have been possible without the platform. You see, it has played a major role in giving so many people their livelihood. But at the other hand, there are also videos on YouTube which are totally rubbish, and people just wonder why they even exist. Videos like prank videos, and then stupid videos which do not make much sense, but people just enjoy it for the relaxation. So those kind of videos, the people who make those videos and the people who watch those videos. So the people who make those videos, they are usually responsible for wasting somebody's valuable time, which they can apply and do something fruitful out of it. So taking the example of video platform, this was one thing. And the second thing that I would like to say about technology, since we are discussing, as my friend Rishabh also said earlier, smartphones. So the thing about smartphones is that smartphone is basically a computer in the grip of our hand. So if you compress a computer, it becomes a smartphone, all right? So as you already are aware that there are multiple things which today's generation of people are able to do, which the generation just before us, like 10 to 12 years before, people were not able to do these things on their own. For example, as mentioned before, emails, and then as I said, video uploadation, and then various other platforms through which you can gain knowledge, you can gain understanding about things. You can start learning any musical instrument from the basics just because you have the internet, which is a huge which is a huge milestone for the development and for the proceeding of technology. So yes, technology has its own benefits,
Yes,
but
yes.
at the end of the day, it only depends upon you how you would like to use technology. Now, with the introduction of 5G, the birds in the air, they're just dropping dead. So there are harmful effects of the new introductions of technology as well. And I would like that the government, before proceeding, they would check on the damage that the introduction of technology can cause to the surroundings
Yes,
as well,
Shalom, yes.
because with great powers come great responsibility. Thank you,
Yes,
Premji.
yes,
That is
Shalom.
from my
Absolutely,
end.
You have
absolutely. Shalom,
concluded
you
a
have
most
actually
valuable,
concluded the points which are
the most
really
valuable
good.
point.
Yes, yes, Rishabh, if you wanted to add something,
Yeah,
or
yeah,
we
yeah.
can give chance
No,
to
no,
other persons. Other
no,
person.
actually, I think that Amit has to say something. So, Amit, please, if you
Yes,
want to
yes.
say something on
Amit,
this
please,
topic.
over to you, Amit. If you wanted to say something, you can speak in
Yeah.
any of the other languages if you are comfortable with. Please, Amit, conclude something.
Thank you, all of you. To the topic advantage technology and disadvantage. So I am to the topic. So I'm discuss so advantage. So this time is the pandemic situation. Very bad situation. So safety, all of you were home, and so education purpose and all communication all of you. So this time so technology is the very important, and this time all of you
Yes, yes,
so
Amit.
thank you.
Yes, your points are really good. Please, Amit, if you wanted to conclude more, please.
Okay.
Amit, what I want is that you can speak in Bengali also. You can speak in Bengali. There's no problem. Please.
Okay. আজকের দিনে যে একটা প্রবলেম আছে, সেটা প্রবলেম আছে, কিন্তু আজকে আমাদের যে টেকনোলজিটা, সেটা আমরা খুবই ভালো দিকে বলতে পারি। কেননা আজকে আমরা কলেজ টোটালি অফ আছে, আমরা কলেজে যেতে পারছি না, কিন্তু আমাদের এডুকেশনটা কন্টিনিউ চালু আছে, বিকজ এই গুড টেকনোলজি অ্যাডভান্টেজের জন্য। ঠিক আছে, এই জন্য অ্যাডভান্টেজ শুধু এডুকেশন নয়, বিভিন্ন বিজনেস ক্ষেত্রে, বিভিন্ন অনলাইন, বিভিন্ন গুড গুড এফেক্ট, বিভিন্ন জায়গায় আমরা যেটা গুড টেকনোলজি ইউজ করছি। এবং অপোজিটে আমরা ব্যাড কিছু ইউজ দেখি, যেটা সাধারণ কিছু যাদের কম, একদমই লো এজ, আজকে তারা স্মার্টফোন হাতে পেয়ে তারা বিভিন্ন ধরনের বাজে ইউজ করছেন, এডুকেশন পারপাস নয়, বিভিন্ন ধরনের তারা আজকে সমাজ থেকে তারা আজকে বঞ্চিত হচ্ছে নানান ভাবে। তাদের আজকে দরকার ছিল তারা আজকে এডুকেশন পারপাস সময়টা ইউজ করবে, তারা আজকে বিভিন্ন ধরনের গেম খেলছে, বিভিন্ন ধরনের বাজে ওয়াচিং দিস ভিডিও, বিকজ একটা বাজে দিক আছে, সেটা আজকে আমাদের এই দিকটা খেয়াল করতে হবে, যাতে একটা এজের পরে আমরা তাদের কাছে ইউজ করার জন্য ফোন বা তুলে দিতে পারি। সব এগুলোকে অবভিয়াসলি আমাদের খেয়াল
একদম
করতে
অমিত,
হবে।
একদম
এমনি অল গার্জিয়ান, মানে যে তার গার্জিয়ান, যার ফ্রেন্ড, যার ফাদার মাদার অল অফ ইউ তাদেরকে দেখবে যে কেননা তার আজকে তার শিশুটা আজকে তার ফোনটা পেয়ে তার ভালো দিকে কাজে লাগাচ্ছে নাকি খারাপ দিকে কাজে লাগাচ্ছে, কেননা আজকে প্রজন্মে আমরা ভালো খারাপ দুটোই ইন্টারনেটের ব্যবহার আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি। এই জন্য আমরা ভালো ব্যবহারটা করতে পারলে অবভিয়াসলি আজকে এই অল ওয়ার্ল্ডে ইন্টারনেট ব্যবহার করে মানুষ বিভিন্ন ধরনের এডুকেশন, বিভিন্ন অল ওয়ার্ল্ড বেসিক ভালো কিছু শিখতে পারছে, আবার কিছু
সত্যি সত্যি অমিত, সত্যি তোর পয়েন্ট গুলো সত্যি সত্যি খুব ভালো, যেটাতে আমরা সত্যি আমরা একটা জিনিস আমরা আমাদের সত্যি যারা যারা শুনছে প্লিজ অমিতকে অ্যাটলিস্ট একটা ক্ল্যাপ করা উচিত আমাদের, কারণ ও সত্যি সত্যি পয়েন্ট গুলো আরো নিজের কমফর্ট জোন থেকে সত্যি সত্যি বেরিয়ে জয়েন্ট পার্টিসিপেট করেছে আর নিজের পয়েন্ট গুলো রেখেছে। এটার জন্য আমরা সত্যি খুব খুশি অমিতের জন্য। আর অমিতের যে পয়েন্টস গুলো রয়েছে সত্যি খুব ভালো পয়েন্টস। অমিত বলতে চেয়েছে যে সত্যিকারের যে আজকে বাচ্চাদের ফর দ্য চিলড্রেন্স, they have to come out of that technology and at least grow, at least try to play some offline games and try to mix with the environment, try to talk, try to it become helpful for all the students. এটাই অমিত বলতে চেয়েছে, যেটা সত্যি খুব ভালো। আর অমিত ধন্যবাদ তোমাকে, তুমি এত সুন্দর সুন্দর পয়েন্ট বলেছো। তোমাকে আবার চান্স দেওয়া হবে, আমরা আবার কনক্লুশনে আসবো। তার আগে আমরা রিপমের কাছে যাই। রিপম, if you wanted to tell something, if you wanted to say something, please Ripam, over to you, Ripam. If you are facing a network problem, then we can give chances to other individual. Ripam.
I think Ripom is facing some problems. So Suprakash.
Okay,
Suprakash,
Risha, we can do one thing. We can.
Okay.
You can remove him.
Okay. Suprakash, first please.
Yes,
Okay,
Suprakash, please.
good evening, guys. Yes, good evening, guys. All of you say about advancement of technology and disadvantage. So I have to say that we all know without technology, none of us can survive. Technology is so important to us, so we can't live without technology. We people go anywhere, whereas office, university, college, school, but everywhere use technology, right? Nowadays technology improves day by day, and this is more helpful to us. Technology makes our makes our work easier day by day. So we people don't about know this technology day by day. Our world makes modern, and technology is the most important thing to make our world modern and easier. But the
Yes,
fact
yes.
is,
Yes,
but the-
Suprakash, please.
yes, but the fact is, in this time, some people do a lot of bad things with the help of these things, technology.
একদম একদম
which
সুপ্রকাশ,
is-
সত্যি সত্যি তোর পয়েন্ট গুলো খুব ভালো আর রেলিভেন্ট। এই পয়েন্ট গুলো আমরা বলেছি, যেটা তুই বলছিস বারবার করে, যাতে মানুষ আরো সচেতন হতে পারে।
Yes.
তো over here I want to add something is that as
One thing I have to say that
yes,
one
yes,
thing I have
please,
to say that
Suprakash.
এই আমাদের টেকনোলজির মানে যুগে আমি একটা কথা বলতে চাই, আমাদের এই টেকনোলজি ইউজ করে অনেকে আমরা মানে ডেথের দিকে আমরা অনেকটা এগিয়ে যাচ্ছি। ছোট্ট একটা এক্সাম্পল আছে, সেটা হচ্ছে যে we all use the mobile phone, right? We use this for everything, we all know, but many of us don't know that too much of it can lead the brain cancer become of radiation. So every technology, there is a good thing, on the other side there is a bad thing.
Absolutely. And we actually congratulate you, because this is most of us we know, but we also need to remember over time is that excessive uses of technology can
Yes.
hamper our health and can hamper our mind also. So I want to add something is that over here I also watch one podcast wherein Ranveer Alabadia, who is a beer biceps, who is talking with Kunal Shah. What he's telling,
Yes.
he is the founder of Cred. Everyone know about Cred, right? He's the founder of Cred. What happened is that he told that as advancement of technology, we are becoming less patient. Our patience level has totally break down. Even if you can scroll on into any of the website, if that website takes at least 5 seconds to open, we keep our phone to the flight mode and we come back again and we
Yes.
off on internet. So what happened is that the patient level has totally gone into the downside. We are less patient about the things, and our patience level has totally burnt off. And over here is that advancement of technology. What happened is that as we grow, as we are focused, suppose you are doing a job, and suppose you are reading a book, and you are seeing video on the YouTube. We don't read book, right? We see videos on the YouTube. That's where our patient level are. We can't see line by line. We can't go line by line and read it. It's totally bad because people are becoming less patient, and it's very logical. And yes, we all know we are facing those problems, but we have to recover from it, and we actually do meditation. What we can do, we can start meditation at least for 20 minutes or 15 minutes a day, so we can keep focus on the things which we are doing, either it be social media, either it be using the technology, or either it be reading books or anything. So we can start meditation. That's what I want to add. If anyone, Shalom, I think Shalom wanted to add something. Please, Shalom.
Yeah, Premjit, I don't have anything special to add to it, but I would like to conclude now upon my opinion by choosing one particular thing that I came across this conversation today. And that thing was that the reduction of usage of social media by the younger generation can lead them to be exposed to outdoor sports, and hence they can develop on their physical abilities as well as their motor skills and mental stability during high pressure situations. And since I have been playing outdoor game, I prefer playing outdoor games more than using social media on certain instances. So I understand the importance of giving physical attention to your body, because the social media and everything, like you're talking with your friends, you're searching the web, you're educating yourself, or you're wasting your time, whatever it is. But we should always remember that usage of social media is a very stagnant kind of a job. Your body is in a totally still position when you're using social media, but when you're exercising your body, your blood circulation improves, and your motor skills as well as eye hand coordination also improves. So I would recommend everyone to limit and reschedule their day so that they can give at least 1.5 or 2 hours to outdoor activities or any kind of sports that they would like to play as a hobby. That would be my wrap on the topic. Thank you so much.
Exactly. You were right. Let's hear it from
Exactly.
Amit. Amit, what you want to say at last? कि last पे की बोलते चाहते topic का नहीं बोला जाए. Amit, you need to unmute yourself. Yeah.
I think Ripan is here. Can I give a chance to him also?
Hello,
Yeah, Ripam.
hello, can
yeah.
I start?
Yeah, Ripam, say
yeah.
about this topic. তুই এই টপিকটা ব্যাপারে কি ভাবিস? টেকনোলজি কি আমাদেরকে কিভাবে হেল্প করে?
I think he is facing some network
I think
issues.
he's facing some network issues. So, Rishabh, you can
I think it
remove
would
him.
be better if we excuse him today, because none of us are able to
Yeah,
hear
Yes,
him properly.
that would be more better, because it takes lots of time, because
Yeah,
we have less of
sure.
time,
Yes,
right?
so we will
Okay,
pardon him.
so-
We will pardon him
so
for
We
the day.
can
It's all right.
we can start the conclusion. So
Yeah, exactly. I think
who
Sharon
to
has
give-
wanted to
already
start?
concluded. So let's
I
start
want
from
to-
Amit. Okay, Dipto, please. Yeah.
Okay. No. Okay, so what I think actually, so as we everyone knows that advancement of the technology is very much beneficial. At the same time, it can be lethal, right? Because some countries are making some nuclear weapons which can destroy a country in a minute, right? So there are lots of disadvantages also. And so I think we have to make a way to equalize those problems. So by doing that only we can technology is obviously a very much good thing for us, and yeah, that's only. Rishabh, over to you.
Yeah, sure. You were totally right. Well, I just want to conclude by saying one thing only, what the people all said about smartphone. I just want to take one example of smartphone only, that smartphone is something that we people it's like a best friend. If we talk about in this manner, smartphone is a best friend. We carry it everywhere. It's the thing that it's like, as Shalom also said the same thing. It's a computer in our pocket. We can do anything and anything out
You're
of it.
audible.
Yeah, you're
Audible?
audible, Shalom. Yeah. What I'm speaking is that smartphone is a very trustable device because it's something that we cannot live without. Starting from getting an appointment of a doctor to getting to any place using Google Maps. It's something that is a very important and a very crucial thing for us. But talking about its effects also, like we people are getting addicted to it. Like I just want to take an example of one particular game, that is PUBG. I want to take this example of PUBG. PUBG is a game that we people have already played it. Even I love to play it. But the thing is that there are some people who are like always in this PUBG only. They're like playing after this, after hours and hours and hours. They're just playing that game continuously. They don't know, but it is actually affecting their own health only. It's affecting their eyes, it's affecting their mental body. But they are like, no, it's my favorite game. I will play it after hours and hours and hours. But they are not realizing the fact that it's actually affecting their body. So this is the problem of this generation. I feel that people are getting addicted to stuff which is totally bad for them. But on the other aspect, if we talk about the positive thing, definitely technology is advancing day by day. Earlier we had to go to a doctor to get an appointment, but now it is happening all online only. We just have to get the number of the doctor, we just need to register it, and we get an appointment from there only. But earlier this was not possible. Earlier we have to be in a long line, we have to then wait for our chance. But now it's like all in a smartphone. We don't have to wait. We just have to, by a click of a button only, by getting the appointment. So yeah, definitely smartphone has played a very important role. And talking about technology is advancing day by day, and it is benefiting us only. But as Shalom said, that the most important thing is it depends upon us whether we want to use the technology in a good way or bad way. So this is what I would love to end this conclusion by.
Thank you, Rishabh. Over here, I want to add, I want to conclude is that yes, the flexibility of doing everything, the flexibility of transferring money from one account to other account, the flexibility of learning, the flexibility of connecting people becomes so easy as advancement of technology. But there are huge disadvantages also. The first and the foremost disadvantage, which no one has concluded, I want to tell, people are also losing job as advancement of technology. Because there are more, near about some percentage, some group of people who are not educated like us, who are not easy with the technology, who can't use who don't know so much of technology, who don't know so much of technical stuff. They are losing their job. This is also a fact, and the time will come. The time has already come that if you are not bond, if you are not a friend with the technology, if you don't know our technology, using of technology, then it becomes quite impossible for you to do any of the job, to stick any of the industry.
Exactly, Prajit.
That's what I want to.
But as we are running short of time,
and I also want to add something. Yes, I wanted to tell someone, if any of the viewers is watching our video, yes, you have to do classes, you have to stick to the technology, and you have to use those technology. But there is also a world out of the social media and out of the technology. Explore that world, see around you. There is lots of beautiful thing around you which you can see each and every day. We actually neglect those things, but those things are really beautiful, and we actually forget those things. So we need to see that there is also a world out of technology and out of social media. Yes, sorry for interrupting you, Rishabh.
Sure.
Please.
Yeah, we can actually move to Amit now. Amit, last week ही बोलते थे ऐसे topic का नहीं है. Please बोल. ये topic का नहीं, last week ही बोलते थे. Amit, please unmute yourself. You're muted. Yeah.
আমার লাস্টে যেটা বলবো যে এটা in technology obviously good because টেকনোলজির জন্য আজকে আমরা অনেক কিছু সহজে পেয়ে যাচ্ছি বা খুব ইজি হয়ে গেছে, যেটা সবার কাছ থেকে বা বিভিন্ন এডুকেশন পারপাস বিভিন্ন দিক থেকে obviously good. and যেটা খারাপ দিক আছে সেটা হচ্ছে আজকে ইন্টারনেটের জন্য আছে, টেকনোলজির জন্য হয়তো প্রকৃতির দিক থেকে আমরা যদি তাকাই, বিভিন্ন ধরনের দিক থেকে, বিভিন্ন পশু পাখির কথাই বলি, আজকের দিনে দাঁড়িয়ে বিভিন্নভাবে ধ্বংস হয়ে যাচ্ছে। যেটা আজকে আমরা দেখতে পারছি না। প্রকৃতির একটা বিভিন্ন সৌন্দর্য যেটা নষ্ট হয়ে যাচ্ছে, যেটা দিন দিন ক্রমশ ধ্বংসের দিকে এগিয়ে যাচ্ছে, সেটা আমাদের লক্ষ্য রাখতে হবে এবং সেটা লক্ষ্য রেখে আমাদেরকে ভালো দিকটাও ইউজ করতে হবে এবং খারাপ দিকটা আমাদেরকে
একদম
অবভিয়াসলি দেখতে
একদম
হবে।
একদম আমি একদম ঠিক বললি।
সত্যি অমিত, আমি সত্যি
একদম।
তোর জন্য খুব খুশি, কারণ তুই পয়েন্টস গুলো খুব সুন্দর সুন্দর বলেছিস, আর লাস্টে যে এন্ড করেছিস কনক্লুশনে, সত্যি we also need to look at the nature because there is beautiful things in the nature which you, yes Shalom, I think
Exactly.
Shalom wanted to
Thank you.
conclude.
I think Shalom has already concluded, so let's
Oh
move on.
sorry,
I have
sorry,
already
Shalom has
concluded,
already
Prem.
concluded.
No, it's totally all right.
Suprakash, Suprakash, please.
Shuprakash, Shuprakash, please.
Last কি বলতে চাস
Okay,
বল?
so lastly, I have to say that আমাদের টেকনোলজিটা আমাদের জন্য খুবই ভালো, কিন্তু আমরা এতে করে উপকৃত হচ্ছি এখন। আমরা চাই যে এর খারাপ দিকটা যাতে আমরা সবসময় বর্জন করে চলতে পারি, বিশেষ করে আমরা যারা সিনিয়র বা আমরা আমাদের প্যারেন্টস যারা আছে, সবসময় ছোটদেরকে বোঝাবো যে এর ভালো দিকটা খারাপ দিকটা। হ্যাঁ, অবশ্যই চাইবো আমরা ভালো দিকটা নিতে, খারাপ দিকটা সবসময় চাইবো যে বর্জন হোক। দেন এই তো সবাই যাতে মানে আমরা যারা জানি না টেকনোলজি সম্পর্কে তারা একটু জানার চেষ্টা করব, কারণ টেকনোলজি এখন পুরো ওয়ার্ল্ডই হচ্ছে এখন ইন্টারনেট বা টেকনোলজি বেসড। সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই টেকনোলজিটা সম্পর্কে আমাদের জানা খুব জরুরি। আর চাইবো যে এর ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজ হচ্ছে খুব বেশি, তাই ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজ যাতে না হয় সেদিকে আমাদের এবং আমাদের আশেপাশে যারা থাকে সবাই যাতে এর দেখাশোনা করতে পারি, বা বিভিন্ন দেশের সরকার যদি এই বিষয় নিয়ে যদি দেখাশোনা করে এর খারাপ দিক নিয়ে, তাহলে অথবা আমাদের সবার জন্যই ভালো হবে। দ্যাটস অল, থ্যাংক ইউ।
Exactly.
Thank you.
Suprakash,
I think
একদম
everyone
ঠিক
has
বললি।
concluded, Rishabh, right?
Yeah, everyone has
Yes,
concluded,
yes.
I guess. Yeah.
Yes, actually, I wanted to say something. There is a new member in our group, which is Amit Sarkar, who has recently added to our group. And from the first ball, जो बोलते हैं ना, debut match में century लगा लिया, debut match में century कर दिया ये बेटा ने, ठीक है? Amit Sarkar has actually concluded the points which are good, and I also wanted to. Everyone must need to clap, right?
So please, everyone,
please
clap for him. He's the new member over here.
Yes,
and
because his points are more good. The fact is that he must tell in Bengali, but his points are good. So thank you guys. If Rishabh wanted to say something at last. Yes, and Rishabh, I have seen also people are enjoying our videos.
Yeah, they are actually enjoying our video. They are giving us their comments also. It's really great that we all people are doing this regularly. This is even helping us, because I will always accept the fact that we people are very much getting benefited from such topics, because these are something that is like happening to us in just few minutes, I guess. We are being given the topic.
It was like Sone Pe Suhaga, right?
Exactly. And a lot of people are even saying the same thing. Only Suprakash has been like equally benefited. He's been telling us that he has been getting this benefit a lot. Dipto has also been getting the benefit. He has improved a lot. So it's really great. And big appreciation to Amit, I guess, because he is a new person over here. And though he has said in Bengali, but the thing is that all the points are literally valid. And with time, I guess he will also improve. So thank you, Amit. Thank you very much. From my side only, I'm giving you a thank you that you have joined us. It's really great. I guess, Premjit, we can end this. I guess we are running.
Yes, please. So conclude. So end. Any of the viewers who are watching, please subscribe, please like, and please comment. You are commenting, but we actually need to know what we are doing actually. So please, Rishabh,
give us feedback, guys, please.
Please give us feedback, and especially give feedback to Dipto, because he needs the feedback the most.
Yes, Dipto is always our leader, right? He is joining from the first day itself, and he's actually evolving over time. And Shuprakash is always great, right?
Exactly.
Shuprakash is also great. There are 3 champ in our shows. One of is Dipto, Shuprakash, and Amit, and we all 3 are like followers to 3 of them, right?
Exactly.
Oh, not at all.
Yes,
Yes,
please.
you're absolutely correct. We are their followers and we need to learn from them every day.
Yes,
Guys,
because they are actually coming up.
They're
They are
like
coming
guys.
up of their comfort zone and actually conclude. Yes, Rishabh, you can end the video. I think there's less of
Okay,
time.
then let's end the video. It was really nice session. So see you again. All right. So,
Bye, guys, everyone.
Bye.